This video will explore how configuration management is vital to the successful implementation of the many aspects of artificial intelligence, due to be rolled out in the next 10 years. But you may ask, what exactly is configuration management? Configuration management, or CM, is a disciplined practice for establishing and maintaining the consistency of a system's functional and physical attributes throughout its life cycle. It does this by identifying every component that makes up an environment: source code, libraries, binaries, configuration files, data schemas, hardware settings, network topologies, and even cloud service definitions. By recording each item's version, relationships, and dependencies, and stores it in a controlled repository. Whenever a change is proposed, CM tools come into use, such as version control systems, build pipelines, and infrastructure as code platforms. Enforcing a defined process that captures who made the change, why it was made, and what impact it may have, while automatically validating that the new state remains compatible with the rest of the system. The primary goal of CM is to ensure that a system can be reliably reproduced, audited, and rolled back at any point in time. By keeping this single source of truth and automating the propagation of approved changes across development, testing, staging, and production environments, CM eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem, reduces unplanned downtime, and provides the traceability required for security, compliance, and quality assurance initiatives. In essence, configuration management turns a complex, ever-changing collection of assets into a manageable, predictable, and auditable foundation for delivering reliable software and services. But doesn't all this structured management slow down the process of development? Well, yes it does. It slows it down to a point where you can have a guaranteed outcome rather than something messy that just won't work. It's akin to a manufacturing process for any complex product. Each stage of manufacture is strictly controlled. You won't find a chip fabrication plant that uses an ad hoc manufacturing process. Let's now look at some key points where AI benefits from a configuration management approach. AI-driven complexity. AI pipelines combine data, models, hardware, and orchestration tools. Think of an AI project like putting together a complex Lego set. You have different kinds of bricks, the data you need to feed the system, the brain-like models that learn from that data, the special machines that run everything, and the software that tells all the pieces when to work together. Each type of brick comes in many versions, different shapes, colours, and sizes, so you have to make sure the right pieces fit together at the right time. If one piece is from an older set, while the others are from a newer set, the whole structure can wobble or fall apart. So just like a careful builder who checks that every Lego piece matches the instructions and the other pieces, an AI team must keep all the components perfectly aligned for the project to succeed. Rapid iteration cycles. With continuous model training, hyperparameter sweeps, and auto machine learning generating thousands of artifacts per day, configuration management provides the single source of truth to avoid drift. Imagine a kitchen where chefs are constantly tweaking recipes, adding a pinch more salt here, swapping one spice for another there, and every change creates a brand new version of the dish. In an AI project, the chefs are computer programs that keep training themselves, trying out countless settings called hyperparameters, and even writing their own mini recipes. Auto machine learning. This means that every day the kitchen churns out thousands of slightly different versions of the model, data files, and configuration notes. Without a reliable way to keep track of which version is the current official one, the development team can easily lose sight of what they're actually using. This is a problem known as drift. Configuration management acts like a master recipe book that records the exact ingredients, steps, and settings for the approved version, giving everyone a single, trustworthy reference point and preventing the chaos of endless, undocumented variations. Regulatory and ethical compliance. Emerging AI-specific regulations like the EU AI Act, US AI Bill of Rights, and ISO IEC 42001. These demand auditable provenance of data, models, and configurations. Think of running an AI system like operating a restaurant that has just opened in a city with very strict health code rules. The city authority wants to see exactly where every ingredient came from, how each dish was prepared, and who was in charge of each step, so that they can be sure that the food is safe and ethically sourced. In the world of AI, new laws such as the EU's AI Act, the US AI Bill of Rights, and emerging standards like ISO and IEC 42001 work in the same way. They require companies to keep clear, traceable records of where their data originated, how their models were built and trained, and what settings were used. This audit trail lets regulators, customers, and the public verify that the AI behaves responsibly, respects privacy, and follows the rules, just as a restaurant's detailed logbook proves it's serving safe, honest meals. Security and supply chain risk. AI workloads depend on open source frameworks, third-party datasets, and specialized accelerators. Configuration management enables traceability of vulnerabilities and patches. Imagine you're building a house using many different suppliers. One provides the bricks, another the windows, a third the plumbing fixtures, and yet another the electric wiring. If any of those suppliers delivers a defective or compromised part, say a cracked brick that could crumble, a window with a hidden break-in point, or wiring that could spark a fire, your whole house is at risk, even if the design itself is perfect. AI systems work in much the same way. They rely on freely shared software libraries, the bricks, data collected from outside sources, the windows, and specialized chips that speed up calculations, the wiring. When a vulnerability is discovered, like a bug in a popular open-source library or a flaw in a third-party dataset, then developers need to know exactly which version of each piece is being used, so they can apply the right fix or replace it. Configuration management acts like a detailed inventory ledger for the house. It records every component, its version, and where it came from, making it possible to trace the origin of any problem and quickly roll out patches before anything breaks or is exploited. Operational resilience. AI services must be reproducible across cloud systems, edge devices, and on-premises clusters. Configuration management underpins reliable rollbacks and disaster recovery. Think of an AI service like a recipe you want to be able to cook the same way whether you're in a restaurant kitchen, a tiny food truck, or even at home. No matter where you are, you need the exact same list of ingredients, the same steps, and the same cooking equipment, so the dish turns out consistently. In the tech world, cloud systems, edge devices, and on-premise clusters are just different kitchens where the AI is run. If something goes wrong, a power outage, a software glitch, or a hardware failure, you need to be able to revert to a known good version of the recipe and rebuild it quickly, just like a chef would pull out a saved, proven recipe and start over. Configuration management works like a meticulously written cookbook and inventory log, which records every ingredient, tool, and instruction used for each version of the AI. This record lets teams instantly reproduce the service in any environment, roll back to a safe point when problems arise, and recover from disasters without having to guess what was changed or missing. In short, it keeps the AI dish reliably tasty, no matter where or when it's been prepared. And the bottom line, without robust configuration management, organizations risk model decay, non-compliance penalties, security breaches, and costly production outages, all amplified by the velocity and opacity of AI systems. The AI revolution is transforming software development into a combination of data, models, and infrastructure. Configuration management, once a nice-to-have discipline for legacy systems, is now the glue that guarantees trust, compliance, and reliability across that combination. Organizations that embed configuration management into every AI lifecycle stage, from data ingestion to model retirement, will not only avoid costly failures, but will also unlock faster innovation and a competitive edge in an increasingly regulated world. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.